Welcome to Dwellings on Taft, right in the heart of East Walnut Hills. Dwellings on Taft is a 5-home community, right like we mentioned, in the heart of downtown East Walnut Hills. What's so exciting about it is we have 5 units. The second phase just actually completed. In each unit, this is 1716, our staged unit over here. We already have 2 happy homeowners in the community. Fry Builders is the builder of the site. A guy named Ben Fry does great work over here. Really excited to show you guys the project. So if you like what you see, come on down to see us. We're open every Sunday and we'd love to show you around.